Hey guys, welcome back. Today will be a short video. So this video is basically a warning, and I'll be showing you a problem with ChatGPT that you might face, and you have to be very careful about this. And I will also show you how to get around this problem very easily with a very easy hack. So say you write blog posts or articles or whatever online, and you use ChatGPT to make those articles for you. Now this can become very problematic because Google has said that using AI content violates their guidelines, so then you won't be ranked, etc. So let's just test this out real quick. So I just ask it write a blog post about the potential dangers AI could pose in the future. It doesn't really matter. All right, so there we go. So let's just copy this and we'll go to originality.ai, which is a really good AI content detection application. I'll leave a link for this in the description. It might be an affiliate link, I don't know. So we'll paste our content in here, have detect AI on, and hit scan now. Right, so it instantly sees that this article is 99% AI generated, right? So there are two things we can do. We can either go to Write Sonic, which is a very cool app that has tons of AI writing things, product descriptions, social media, websites, landing pages, articles, and they have ChatSonic, which is basically like ChatGPT. So what they have is a rephrasing tool, content rephrase. So we can either use that, or we can go to Quillbot. I will leave links for both of these platforms in the description. They might be affiliate links, I don't know yet. If they are, please use them, or not, whatever. So if we paste in our AI written article here, it will say it is too long because I don't have the premium version at the moment. So we'll just use whatever it can do. And just to double check that this is still plagiarized, or AI detected. Yes, still 99% AI, right? So we go to Quillbot. You can change how much stuff it will change. So how many synonyms it uses for everything. There's a limit in the free version, but I think the middle should be just fine. So let's paraphrase this. There we go. So all orange words are complete word changes. Anything that has a yellow line under it are structural changes to the sentences. So as you can see, it changed a lot and it just rephrased it completely, right? So if we copy this now and go back to Originality AI, paste it in, bam, 100% original, 0% AI. So this is how to get around AI detectors that Google and all other search engines and a bunch of other companies are probably using. And it's quick and easy and even free if you just use the free versions and just do it in bits of 125 words, or you can get the premium. I think it's like $20 a month. So yeah, if this helped you, please leave a like. If you want to see more AI stuff, obviously subscribe. Also, I'll reply to every single comment on this video. All right, see you next time, guys. Cheers.